Hi, I'm Roy Robertson. This is San Diego Made, San Diego Proud, where we present the business leaders serving the people of America's finest city. And this morning we welcome Ray Lucia Jr., who's the chairman and CEO of Lucia Capital Group, a full-service financial planning and investment management firm headquartered right here in San Diego. And Ray's cousin, Joe Lucia, president of the firm, which helps people build integrated retirement strategies. Lucia Capital Group invites you to a free seminar that's coming up Saturday, September 17th, focused on retirement planning. And we'll tell you in just a moment how it is that you can RSVP. Guys, welcome. We've got a lot to cover here in a couple of minutes. Joe, let's start with you and talk about the challenges which we're facing in this market as we're approaching retirement or already there.
Well, Roy, there's a lot of uncertainty when it comes to retirement planning today. Markets are at an all-time high, interest rates are at an all-time low, and people are living longer.
Yeah. And we see that as a recipe for a retirement storm.
Okay.
But there's hope, and it might be a perfect opportunity for people to take a look at what they're doing and hit the reset button and make a change.
Okay, so this gives you the perfect opportunity to come down, examine what you're doing now, and look at some of these alternatives. It's the Alternative Retirement Strategies Seminar. So, Joe, when we talk about this, is this a plan? Is this a series of investments? What's the mix that we're talking about?
Well, traditional investments are stocks, bonds, and cash. Alternatives are pretty much everything else. And by adding alternatives to a portfolio, you could potentially reduce the overall volatility, mitigate risk, and increase your overall return.
And at the workshop, we're actually be talking about both planning and investing. For example, let's take a look at the endowment model. An endowment is a sum of money that's been donated to universities or colleges and is invested in a portfolio designed to supplement ongoing expenditures of the universities at about 5% per year.
And that's very similar to what our financial advisors at Lucia Capital Group do on a daily basis for our clients.
And in particular, Ivy League endowments have outperformed significantly over the years, and we believe that's because of their meaningful allocation to alternative investments.
Okay, so you'll learn about this strategy, how it is that you may be able to mirror investments. The seminar is coming up Saturday, September 17th. You can RSVP now. Everybody's invited. You can even invite a friend. Seating will be limited. Call 800-644-1150, 800-644-1150 to RSVP. Joe, what will people be learning when they get to the seminar?
Well, our presenters at the seminar like to take very complex and complicated retirement topics and really make them enjoyable and fun. We're going to help our attendees design portfolios that mirror the endowment strategies utilizing alternatives.
Okay. And our presenters are going to be talking about our 5 key alternative investing themes that we've identified for 2016 and beyond.
Okay, and what are they? Can you tell us?
There you go.
Can you tell us?
No. Well, Roy, then people wouldn't have to come to the workshop.
Right.
But
okay.
you know, Joe mentioned earlier anything but stocks, bonds, and cash.
Right.
And most people think about homes as their alternative investment or real estate. But what they don't think about is the iPhone. And Apple just released the iPhone 7 this past week. And what that means is more pictures, more data, more social media. And where's that stored? Stored up in the cloud, right? Wrong. The cloud is actually down here on the ground in warehouses called data centers. And we think there's a potential huge opportunity for investors to participate in that growth over the next few years.
So real estate is one of the themes that we're going to be talking about. You don't want to give away the others.
Give them all away.
Well, you got everybody RSVPing right now to come down and find out about these alternative themes. The Alternative Retirement Strategy Seminar is coming up Saturday, September 17th. Please RSVP now to learn more from Lucia Capital Group. The phone number is 800-644-1150. That's 800-644-1150. The event is free, but you must RSVP, so please call now.